Studying abroad is an exciting opportunity for many students. It offers a chance to gain valuable education, cultural exposure, and experience. Canada is one of the most popular study destinations in the world. But as an international student, it can be challenging to finance your education, and that's where the GIC program comes in. In this video, we'll guide you through the application process for the GIC program in Canada and show you how to use it to study in Canada. First, you need to choose a participating Canadian bank to open your GIC account. These banks are authorized by the Canadian government to offer GIC accounts to international students. You'll need to provide some personal information and your study permit details to the bank representative. We'll also need you to provide a deposit of 10,000 Canadian dollars to open the GIC account. The 10,000 Canadian dollars will be held in the GIC account and released to you in installments to cover your living expenses while you study in Canada. After you've deposited the required amount, the bank will issue a confirmation letter for your GIC account. With your GIC account confirmation letter, you can now apply for your Canadian study permit. You'll need to provide the confirmation letter along with other required documents to the Canadian immigration authorities. Once your study permit application is approved, you'll receive your Canadian study permit. Congratulations! You are now ready to start your studies in Canada. Studying in Canada with the GIC program is an excellent way to finance your education and live comfortably while studying in this beautiful country. So why wait? Start your application process today and take the first step towards your dream of studying in Canada. Like, share, and subscribe to Study Metro for more awesome content.